And that promotion for me was a big reflection of all the hard work, of all the struggles, of being that 10-year-old wishing to be an architect. And then now here I was, working for this great company, making actual buildings, working with famous architects, traveling the US, and just building amazing projects. Right now I'm actually completing a 76-story building in Chicago. And it was a recent top off in February. I managed to be there after completion. So I put my hard hat on and I got on the elevator hoist. And they asked me if I wanted to go all the way to the top of the building. I said, absolutely. So as I go up that building, I reflect. I reflect on where I started, how my parents struggled, how it was so important for us to go to college, how I managed to get through pregnancy at 16 and have this little baby come with me on this journey, and falling asleep many times at school, being able to finally get my college degree. And when I got up that top of the building, it felt amazing. I felt like I was on top of the world. So I share this story with everyone because I want to be able to inspire other young women that are in my situation that it is possible.